Hey, James here. So now that I've submitted the update for my app, the Lightbox, and I'm waiting for Apple to approve that, I've decided to go back to MetaMini and start doing some more work on this. So as you can see, I've done a few things to it. I've made this top left one have a little bit better graphics. I've got a little UFO now that moves around, and I also have some bad guys that animate a little bit, and when I die, a UFO explodes. Likewise over here I've now got a bomb that falls down, so I'm starting to improve the art for this. Overall I'm trying to make this a bit more fun. I've started to think about actually redesigning this a little bit, so I'm trying to make some gameplay decisions at the moment. At the moment when you die, just the one that you die on resets and your score resets to 0. So I'm starting to think that maybe that's not the right way to do this, and so I'm starting to wonder whether I should have like 3 lives, and when that one, it still resets your multiplier down on that one, but your score keeps going and you've got 3 lives, and when you run out of lives, it's over. And maybe every X number that you go up, you get an extra life, so that, because they get quite hard when you go to higher levels. So at the moment I'm trying to make that sort of design choice and wondering whether I should just have these 4 mini games or whether I should have a couple of different combinations, like sort of levels. So there's, say, 3 different combos of 4 mini games that you can play together. So I'm interested in hearing any thoughts on what it looks like, or anything like if you think it looks fun, if you think that there's too much for somebody to control, and how you think the actual scoring system should go. I'm also thinking that I'll implement achievements and leaderboards using Game Center and Google Play services. So initially I wasn't really thinking about it because it was just a little prototype, but now I started to feel this is the kind of game that really needs a leaderboard, because it is kind of like an endless runner and that you're trying to achieve the highest score possible. So that will also mean I think I'm going to have to redesign this middle interface. And I'm also thinking that I'm going to have to use a different type of ad system than AdMob, because ads popping up on this top portion is probably not going to give a very good gameplay experience. So I'm trying to think about how to handle that, because I'm still very keen on the free version being the main version, and I still would like to be able to, hopefully if it is somewhat popular, to be able to make some money from it. So any opinions and anything, please feel free to give me your feedback.